great day for tea.
Mother?
Yes?
I have to spill this tea.
Go on.
I have a confession. I don't want to be a gothic Lolita anymore. I want to be a sweet one. From now on.
Me too.
Oh, well, I guess you guys will just have to be sweet Lolitas then.
Yes.
Start with a moisturizer. The brand used is Dermatology Broad Spectrum SPF 45. For kids, you don't have to use a foundation. Next is eyeshadow. We used a Wet n Wild palette. First is the lightest pink color as the base. Parents, if you have makeup you don't use anymore, this could be a good idea to give to your kids for fun or for practice use. Next, we use the medium pink near the bottom of the eyelids. These colors are not so vibrant, but still good for a natural kind of look. Now we have the darkest pink for the outer edges of the eyelids and underneath the eyes. For the inner corners, top and bottom, we used Morph palette, and the color is called Champagne. It's a whitish color with a pink hue that has glitter. We have a simple black eyeliner that we will line the eye corners underneath the lashes and kind of drag it out onto the creases. We have Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner for the top. Try to get pretty close to the lash line as much as you can. And mascara is also optional. The eyes are done. Now for the cheeks. We have NYX Baked Blush. The color is called Passion. You don't want to use a strong pink for the cheeks. This is more of a peach tone. Instead of blushing directly on the cheek bones, we applied it on the center, closer to the nose. Cheek highlighter is optional. We used Estate's Do Me. We applied a little higher than the blush and a little on the nose. For lips, we used Wet n Wild, a kind of peach pink color. All done. If you have much younger kiddos, we have this tutorial for you. Start with a moisturizer for the face. Next is blush. Apply in the same area, center of the cheeks. Again, highlighter is optional. For little ones, you can use like kids colored chapsticks. We used Burt's Bees. All done.
That was really fun, you guys. You look so cute and Sweet Lolita. How do you feel, Umi?
I like it. I really do.
How about you, Ezra?
I want to be a monster again.
Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more content from us. guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more content from us. Bye! Sit.
Kawaii! Oh,
Got my ugly face
Could
in
you
there.
pause it? Or
I have to.
Guys, I will